Hi all, I was cleaning my phone gallery and I found there are some footages that I have not put in the video. So here's another 20 minutes of random vlog all happened inside my uni. So enjoy and please subscribe, okay? So let's start with my fourth move to a new room. Hello guys, so this is my room, my new room again. Lol, I really don't know how many rooms I have changed. So yeah, this is a single room. And yeah, let's open the light. But I don't know why I get two sets of furniture. Yeah, I get like two sets, and yeah, and this place is facing the forest, which is so good. And again, I got a place that close to the foyer, which is very good for stalking people. Yeah, so guys, new room. 정리하는 것은 아니에요. I have so many things need to keep. You see all this mess I need to keep, and 나도 몰라. Like seriously, how many times I need to move this luggage? Oh my god.
A few moments later.
So hello guys, let's do another room tour. So again, this is a single room, and it's already a single room in the system, but I don't know why it gives me like two sets of furniture, so maybe I just get lucky. So yeah, again, here's my closet. Yep, okay, it's kind of need to open from here. So I hang my clothes over here. Very big space of closet. But this design is a bit different than the one in my previous, as the mirror is from here. Yeah, it's from this side instead of in the front. And here's my bed, and you got a softboard, and there's a table. I love this table again because if you know this, I get the similar table in my second previous room, and finally I got this back. This table is just right for me because it's so big and there's so many places to put my stuff. I put my plants here, and I place my LED lights here. Let me open it. So wow, high class Disney. It would look great in the night. Yeah. And yes, I got my printer over here and just my two laptops. Yep. And I really like my workplace to beside my window, so I really like this design. In my previous one, I actually face, it's like you are like facing the window instead of like staying beside it, so here the lighting is so good. Yeah, so you see, if my workplace is beside the window like this, you'll get like a lighter light source, so it will look better in your zoom. So you don't need to just open the, you need to adjust the lighting in there. So but the bad thing is, yeah, you see my face is a shit now, so but at least the lighting is good over here. Okay, so I got a different view. So finally I get a second floor, and this is the jungle. I can face many greens, you know I love greens, and I can see the sky over here, and that's really good. And I got another table here. So basically this is my vanity. So I got all my skincare here, and this is where I put my food. So it seems empty, but actually I did not unpack it. All of the food is already inside, so I'll just put it inside because if I unpack it, this is not going to fit in all my food. So another table, and since I'm not going to sleep on this bed, so I decided to just put stuff. And I get another wardrobe, which I think I just put mostly some necessities, like some shampoos and also some accessories like socks and my underwears. Yeah, underwears then. That's pretty. Oh yeah, and you got very good lighting, very good fan, and overally the room is good. Yeah. Hello guys, so welcome to my vlog. I'm not sure if this is a vlog, but I'm just a bit bored. Well, while I was just a bit bored while I was, yeah, no, I am, and yeah, now it's around 10 o'clock, and yeah, I'm waiting bus to go to my faculty because I have lab work to do. Yes, and my bus has come now, so see you in a bit. Yeah, so it was really random, just want to take a video. I never planned this, so yeah, so it could be like my uni series. So yeah, it should be the first episode that showed me how I'm here. I'm actually starting my lab now, already like the 4th week or something. And you see, this is my faculty. It's still very empty because only those who are doing lab are required to come. There's no lectures, so this building is whole full of ghosts. Just a few people, which is good in some sense because it's quiet. Yeah, and let me show you my lab if I can later. I'm just being shy taking video like this in public. So my lab is in 3rd floor. Whew, tired. And here's the lounge. There's another lab. Most of these buildings are full of labs, like different type of labs. Yeah, and today I come here just to do very simple tasks. I'll show you my bacteria later. Yeah, I'm working on bacteria. And I saw my friend. Ooh, what sound is that? Bye. Good weather. Okay guys, so now we are going to take stuff from the store. Yes. Guys, so see, this is what I get. I get full of stuff. I can show you like this. I got petri dish, I got this cartridge, just a lot of stuff. Yeah. How much I can show you? I mean, like, it could be fun if I can do like a video to review all of this, like the stuff that we use during experiment. But well, I don't think I can do it. Hi guys, so you see, this is my bench, and this is my stuff, and this is my friend's stuff. So you can see how we organize stuff. I just dump everything in my basket, but he actually make it very organized, so you can see how different people do different stuff. And yeah, this is my magic wand. Do you guys know what is this? This is a bacterial loop. It's very important stuff. It's just like a magic wand for magicians. So without this, you are not a microbiologist. And I just changed the iron stuff, and it's as new as fuck. Okay guys, so now I'm going to restrict my bacteria, and this is very typical microbiologist workplace. Yeah, just finish sanitize, and overall this is how the lab looks like. Oh, I never see myself in a lab coat, so this is how I look. 자, 안녕하세요 여러분. 지금은 점심시간입니다. 네, 그냥 혼자 먹어요. 혼자 먹어요. 왜냐하면 다 여기 봐봐, 진짜 사람도 없네. 사람 다 없어. 옛날에 그냥 옛날 아니라 그냥 코로나 전에 여기 카페는 점심 먹었어요. 여기 점심 살고 있고 그냥 여기 카페 열고 있는데요. 그냥 영어로. Yeah, so this cafe is when before Corona we always eat here, and all the people from this cluster area, like there's like library and also like faculty of science, another branch of that, they will come here to eat lunch. But now it has not been opening, and I heard that the contract was like it's finished for this 사장님. Yeah, 끝났어요. So if anyone interested to open a cafe here, please here. Yeah, you have some business over here, okay? Yeah, because it's very easy to feed students in UTM. Yeah, even bad food can feed people because we have no choice. 네, 지금은 혼자서 이거 포장하는 거, 페랑하는 거 음식은 그냥 밥은 같이 오렌지 주스 그거 했어 from the vending machine there. Yeah, just an oranges. So this typical food like rice. I got so orange. This is a lemon chicken, and this is 감자, which is potato. 그냥 간단하게 점심 먹을 게 이거 오렌지 주스. 너무 맛있대. 너무 달지만 like very sweet, but it's still good. Yep. 네, 먹을게. Guys, sorry, I really can't find a mirror, so this is my look today. 진짜 사람 하나도 없어. Yeah. So lonely. Just feels so empty.
Eventually.
Hello guys, so I just want to share what I eat for dinner. So this is actually spaghetti, and guess what I put in? Actually the color looks really great like carbonara, but I just add in mayonnaise, some butter, and also gochujang. Yeah, so I put in some seaweed, so just a simple kind of like jjolmyeon. If you know what jjolmyeon means in Korean, like cold noodles or 비빔면. 이렇게 컨셉이지. Yes, and I also have to finish my kimchi. This batch's kimchi is my favorite. I think it's because of the spiciness. It's more spicier, and I put in spring onion this time, so it was really great. It actually like boosts up the flavors, and it's 2 weeks. I'm so sad I have to finish it now. So 그냥 너무 간단하는 이렇게 먹는 만찬? Yeah. Yeah, my face. Fuck. No! Hello guys. So today I just come for jogging, and it's kind of awkward because there's been so many people around jogging to the stadium. Yeah. Oh, some monkeys. So you can see people, many cars are actually coming into the stadium. It's really kind of back to like the ordinary UTM vibe, because I showed you like how quiet it used to be in this road, and today the weather is so cool because it just got a heavy rain and suddenly the weather is perfect. It's so blue, the sun. So today is really like a very tiring day for me because I've started my lab work from 10 a.m. all the way to 5 p.m. non-stop, and I don't know how to describe that feeling. I mean, like it's not tiring, but then it's just very fruitful. In Chinese they call it very 充实, and you can see the mist like Whoa! But it's not morning, guys. It's really like now it's around like 6 something. And this kind of weather don't like foggy weather doesn't come out just during morning. Yeah. I'm supposed to jog, but it's really sometimes I really need an outdoor recharging time. Yeah. This side of place is so beautiful, guys. And just an update, I think my fast is getting better. It's just I'm taking like a medicine. Yeah, it's a type of vitamin B to actually control the sebum secretion on your face. I've took it for I think 11 weeks, around 10 weeks now. Yeah, and I can see how my face is improved. Yep, and I continue to take that medicine as what my doctor suggests. So yeah, it's actually getting better from top to bottom, and it's now getting like purging. You can see like this part. It looks very serious, but it really gets serious before it gets better. So I really believe on that. So I'm gonna just take that medicine, continue on that. So hopefully during my convocation, I can get my pretty face ongoing for you guys. Yes. And yeah, I should really get used to this kind of people walking by, and I'm just still continue vlogging. Guys, you see this? So nice, right? You just see that sunset? Yes, I'm chasing sunset again. And you guys see? 아, 너무 예뻐요. Sunset. Yeah. Even though my face is bad, but I'm just gonna talk. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna vlog a lot in December. Hopefully like a weekly one. You know, like first week in preparation of convo, second week which is my convo, and third week I was starting getting back to Kuching, and final week, the end of the year of 2021. Yeah, I'm not really sure if this is gonna be a closing. If this is a closing, it's going to be the perfect closing. Do you see the sky? Oh my god. I'm just a sunset person, people. So see you in the next one if this is the ending.